How to Oil, Condition, and Clean a Cutting Board by Howard Products. Season unfinished wood surfaces by applying at least 2 coats of cutting board oil. Make sure to spread cutting board oil evenly with a soft cloth. Our mineral oil exceeds US FDA requirements for food contact surfaces and is safe for all food preparation surfaces like cutting boards and butcher blocks. Apply cutting board oil to the edges of the board, then let it soak in for at least 20 minutes. After the oil has had some time to soak into the wood, buff off any excess with a clean soft cloth. For thick wood surfaces like countertops, apply 3 to 4 coats and let each coat soak in for at least an hour. After seasoning with cutting board oil, apply butcher block conditioner. The conditioner helps protect the wood by keeping the mineral oil in and the moisture out. Spread the conditioner evenly with a soft cloth. Make sure to get the grooves in the sides of the board. Butcher block conditioner is a combination of food-grade mineral oil, beeswax, and carnauba wax. It's ideal for conditioning and maintaining all wooden butcher blocks, cutting boards, wooden bowls, and utensils. After 1 hour, wipe off any excess butcher block conditioner and buff the wood to a nice sheen. Remember to apply more conditioner whenever the wood looks or feels dry. When it comes time to clean your cutting board, use Howard Cutting Board Cleaner. First, rinse the board with warm water. Then apply cutting board cleaner with a sponge. Scrub the cutting board until a lather is formed and the board is clean. The natural cleaning properties of lemon oil and coconut soap safely clean any wood surface and leave it smelling fresh. Then rinse with warm water to remove the cleaner. Dry the wood with a clean towel. Remove the cutting board from the sink and let it air dry before applying a coat of butcher block conditioner. For more information, visit our website at howardproducts.com.